turn to God for His grace that you had today. Okay, we want to get together for you and to prepare for you today. So now I'm going to for you much. You explain that healthy for the free, so pretty good and right. Now, so everyone, let me introduce myself. My full name is Brady Hamilton, which you can call me Yankee. I was born in January 15, 2008, and now I'm 16 years old. So everybody, I have family. My brother are 4, and my brother and my sister are 6, and Eleanor to 10. So everybody, do you know what is education? You know what is education? Please put your hands up and answer my question. You are? Please stand up and answer my question. What is education and who is the school? Apakah kalian tahu apa itu pendidikan dan tahu boleh angkat tangan dan menjawab pertanyaan dari saya? Okay, baik. Maybe I'm so dedicated for your course for you today. I'm so very happy because my prayers the need of the all. Okay, thank you so much for the opportunity and thank you so much.